Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is continuity equation. The velocity components in the x and y directions are given as u is equal to 2xy cube minus 2yx cube by 3 and v is equal to 2xy square minus 2yx cube by 3 indicate whether the given velocity distribution is a possible field of flow or not. So in this question I given velocity components in x and y directions. So velocity component in x direction is u is equal to given 2xy cube minus 2yx cube by 3 and velocity component in y direction. Okay, no? Velocity component in y direction v is equal to xy square minus 2xy cube by 2yx cube by 2yx cube by 3 both are same. 2yx cube by 3. Okay, so this is velocity in x direction, this is velocity in x direction, velocity component in x direction, and this is velocity component in y direction, Okay. So we have to find whether these components, so here we have to prove whether the given velocity distribution is a possible field of flow or not. So given two velocity components, here we have to decide whether the flow is possible or not, whether these components represents field of flow or not. Okay, so ఈ టూ కాంపోనెంట్స్ని మనం వెరిఫై చేసి ఫ్లో పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా ఫిజికల్గా, ఓకేనా, పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా, ఫ్లో అనేది ఉందా లేదా అనేది మనం చెక్ చేయాలి. హౌ డు వి నో, ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది, ఓకేనా, హౌ డు వి గెట్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్, హౌ డు వి డిసైడ్ possibility of flow using velocity components? We have continuity equation. So the possibility of fluid flow depending upon continuity equation, it's depending upon continuity equation. So we have to verify continuity equation. So according to continuity equation, flow of fluid in a two-dimensional flow is possible when velocity components satisfy dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So here velocity components must satisfy this equation. So ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి, ఈ కాంపోనెంట్స్ రెండు కూడా ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తేనే ఫ్లో అనేది పాసిబిలిటీ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, హియర్ గివెన్ టు వెలాసిటీ కాంపోనెంట్స్, దీస్ టు వెలాసిటీ కాంపోనెంట్స్ represent field of fluid flow only when they are satisfying dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. They must satisfy this equation. So దీన్ని satisfy చేయాలి. Okay, so let us first of all let us find dou u by dou x. So here dou u by dou x, so we are doing here, dou means, remember, d means differentiation, ordinary differentiation, d for ordinary differentiation, dou for partial differentiation. Okay na, so in case of partial differentiation, here denominator is, here u is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. We are doing partial differentiation of u with respect to x. ఓకేనా, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్కి చేస్తున్నాం మనం పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. ఓకేనా, యూకి విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం. యూ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్, సో న్యూమరేటర్లో ఉన్న ఈ ఫంక్షన్ యూ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్. ఓకేనా, సో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఎక్స్. సో అదర్ దెన్ ఎక్స్ ఇంకేమున్నా కూడా మనకి ఈ ఫంక్షన్లో ఇంకేమున్నా కూడా ఏమవుతాయి, కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్స్ అయిపోతాయి. సపోజ్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ వేరియబుల్, the independent variable. So other than x we have 2 and y cube. Here 2y cube is constant. Here 2y cube is constant. What is the partial differentiation of x? X differentiation ఏమవుతుంది 1. Okay na, x differentiation 1 minus again x cube is independent. Here x is independent variable. So this is our variable and 2y by 3 is constant. 2y by 3 is constant into differentiation of x cube. X cube differentiation ఏమవుతుంది 3x square. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2y cube, 3 get cancelled, minus 2y or 2x square bar. So this is dou u by dou x. Next let us find dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y. So partial differentiation of v with respect to y. Okay na, is equal to dou by dou y. What is v? Xy square minus 2y x cube by 3. Okay, so dou v by dou y is equal to, okay na, just apply partial differentiation properties. So dou by dou y, distribute dou by dou y, it's like distribution xy square minus dou by dou y 2y x cube by 3. Now partial differentiation of xy square with respect to y. Here we are doing partial differentiation with respect to y. Here y is our variable and remaining all constants. So here y is our variable and remaining, here x is constant. Okay, because we are doing with respect to y. Other than y, remaining all constants. So take out x out of the partial differentiation. This take out this x, place in front of dou by dou y. So dou by dou y of y square minus, here also we are doing with respect to y. So 2x cube by 3 is a constant term. So take out 2x x cube by 3 out of the derivative. So dou by dou y of we have y. Now x into dou by dou y of y square 2y minus 2x cube by 3 dou by dou y of y 1. So therefore dou v by dou y is equal to 2xy minus 2x cube by 3. Now verify continuity equation. So dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y. So we got dou u by dou x 2y cube minus 2x square y plus dou u by dou y. How much dou u by dou y? 2xy minus 2x cube by 3. So what do you observe? This value is not equals to 0. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is not equals to 0. So it does not satisfy. It does not satisfy. Not satisfies continuity equation. Not satisfies continuity equation. Therefore, if velocity components does not satisfy continuity equation, means the flow is not possible. Flow is not possible.